Virtually throughout the flight, Earth-based tracking information will be used to correct or supplement onboard navigation, so long as it can supply sufficiently accurate data. But as the spacecraft nears the target position, millions of miles from Earth's tracking stations, the astronaut will have to rely to a much greater extent on his onboard navigational equipment. Any backup information from Earth would take 12 minutes to travel the 134 million miles that separate them. He will determine the exact location of his craft with respect to the planet, using sextant sightings, this time between the target planet and known stars. Now he can calculate the final velocity changes that will put him in a precise parking orbit around the planet. Once determined, these velocity changes are applied, and an orbit around the planet is attained. The astronaut will then use his sextant to track landmarks. This confirms his parking orbit and determines its characteristics, permitting him to plan a descent trajectory. In all space operations, man's tools are of utmost importance. They consist of information-gathering devices, both optical and electronic, timekeeping devices, and computers. For manned space navigation, the information-gathering devices are the most varied. They include sextants, or other optical instruments, to measure angles between celestial bodies, onboard radar and other electronic equipment for position determination and tracking, Earth-based radio and radar for precise distance and velocity measurements,